What's going on, smart money investors? It's Nate here. This video, we're gonna talk about how to make money online passively, okay? So this is a $2,000 stack, and what this represents is freedom, okay? So, after you pay all of your bills and you have time left over, you're gonna be able to focus on things that you wanna focus on, which is gonna make you a lot more happy, and you're gonna be a lot more productive because you can actually take advantage of your creative outlet. You can take advantage of actually making more money, right? You're not actually pinned down to a corporate job where you're trading time for money. So I'm gonna share my game plan and the reasons why I think these avenues are gonna be the most beneficial for you to actually make passive income. Number one is YouTube. All right, so you're watching this YouTube video right now for a reason. It's because you want to learn about how to make money online passively. The reason why I started my YouTube channel is because of advertising, right? YouTube is one of the biggest search engines in the world. Google owns it, and you're gonna be able to actually make money every time someone watches your video. Depending on how good your content is, how many subscribers you have, you're gonna be able to make money on the back end, which is called AdSense, right? So once you get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you're gonna get paid for every 1,000 views you get on your video, okay? So what that means is your videos are literally working for you at night, all day, every day, until the day you die. So as long as you make content that's actually searchable and people are actually searching for this, right? There's demand for it. You're gonna be able to make money in your sleep because people are constantly searching for that type of topic, right? And so if you're in a good category and you have a good YouTube channel, you don't actually have to work your ass off every single day because those good videos are gonna pay off dividends over time. Let's say you make a video 5 years ago and it starts blowing up and you're getting consistent views. Well, guess what? You're gonna get paid consistently all the time, every single month from that video. So imagine accumulating videos after videos, creating videos over time to actually pay off dividends, right? So in the beginning, it starts off slow, right? And you might not get a lot of subscribers, you might not get a lot of watch time, but you're gonna notice that there's gonna be an explosive growth once you start accumulating all these videos. So right now I have over 70 videos on my YouTube channel, and every single video I'm getting views on them. So it's adding up and I'm getting paid on the back end for it now. The other reason why I'm focused on YouTube so much is because over time, people are gonna start consuming content in a different way. People used to read blogs, people used to read articles all the time, but you're gonna see a dramatic shift of how people actually consume content. It's easier and more enjoyable to consume videos, right? Audio, video, compared to a long form blog article, right? So this is the main reason why I'm putting more time into YouTube, and it's because of that shift, right? People have high-speed internet, people are on Wi-Fi all the time, people have smartphones that are crazy fast these days, just like computers. The ability to consume content this way is gonna be much more enjoyable, and that means I'm gonna have more people watching my type of content. Just think about your future, right? If you start something right now and you're passionate about talking about that certain subject, I would highly recommend starting a YouTube channel. All you need is a Gmail account. You go to YouTube and you're gonna see a little thing that says create channel. Once you create it, all you need is a smartphone, a microphone, and you're off to the races, all right? The other reason why YouTube is so great is because once you start getting revenue coming in, now that you have more subscribers, you actually have a real audience to present yourself to. And so now you're gonna be able to refer people, certain services online, which will help you make money on the back end. It's called affiliate marketing, right? So if you talk about finances and you talk about Robinhood, maybe your audience doesn't know about Robinhood and they want to learn how to make money in the stock market using the Robinhood app, right? You can have a link in the description below, and now you're gonna get commissions because Robinhood has an affiliate program. So over time, YouTube is gonna be one of the foundations to your success, in my opinion, because you're gonna be able to build an audience, right, towards people that are into your content, right? They're actively searching for the type of content that you're creating. And then number two, once you build up a big enough audience, you can make money off of affiliate marketing, all right? So those are some of the two passive income streams that I'm focused on. Day trading is kind of like my bread and butter because I have capital. You know, I shoot for 5 to 10% every single month, and that pays my bills and everything like that, okay? But with YouTube, right, this is a long-term exponential growth that I'm looking for. So the more content that I create and the more people that enjoy my content, I'm gonna have a bigger and bigger audience over time. So I'm trusting the process. I would highly recommend creating a YouTube channel to actually start making passive income. In my opinion, it's going to be better than real estate. It's going to be better than any other passive income stream because it doesn't cost anything, right? If you think about real estate, you're going to have to buy a property, right? You're going to have to maintain the house. You're going to have to, fix the air conditioner if it breaks down. You're going to have to fix a wall if somebody punches a hole in the wall. You just have all these fees that add up, and your margins are going to be a little bit lower. And then also you have to worry about the renter paying rent on time, right? So there's more than one risk involved with real estate. If you have family-friendly content on YouTube, all you need to do is really focus on good content and consistency to actually make passive income. You literally set up your AdSense account, okay? And then, so every single month you get paid out from YouTube. So my goal is to have the passive income pay for all of my bills, right? Once I make enough passive income to take care of all my bills, now I'm gonna be able to actually enjoy what I'm focused on, which is creating more YouTube content, talking about finances, day trading, investing, and the quality, right, will be a little bit better because I'll have more time to focus on this stuff. Essentially, I'll be retired, right? Because I have income coming in every single month guaranteed as long as my YouTube is alive and active, okay? Just think about it. I know I'm kind of rambling and ranting about this, but I truly believe that YouTube is gonna be one of the best passive income streams for you to really take advantage of. So do your research, get started on that YouTube channel. This is Nate. Thanks for tuning in and enjoying this video.